Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Premiere Pro for film grain overlay and color matching. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start Premiere Pro and open your project. Import your footage into the media pool. Select the clip you want to work with in the timeline. Go to the color workspace by clicking on the color tab at the top. Open the Lumetri color panel to access color grading tools. To add film grain, first, ensure you have a film grain overlay file imported. Drag the film grain overlay onto the timeline above your footage. Change the blending mode of the film grain layer to overlay or soft light for a more natural effect. Adjust the opacity of the film grain layer to achieve the desired intensity. Now, return to the Lumetri color panel to perform color matching. Select the clip you want to match from the timeline. Use the comparison view to select a reference clip that you want to match. In the Lumetri color panel, adjust the basic correction settings to match exposure and contrast. Use the Creative tab to apply a look or LUT if desired. Fine-tune colors by adjusting the HSL secondary settings to isolate specific color ranges. If necessary, use the curves and color wheels for precise color adjustments. Review your adjustments using the playback feature to see how they look in motion. Once satisfied, export your project to save the changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.